everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. Today I am doing a commission piece and I'm going to go on a large canvas. Very excited. So let's get down to the canvas and I'll tell you all about who it's for and the colors I'm going to use. I'll be right back. I am doing a commission piece for the lady who cuts my hair. Her name is Christina. She's got a salon here in the town I live in. It's called Vivo Salon and Day Spa. I'm going to make a piece for her because she likes purples and she doesn't have a whole lot of artwork in her salon. So I asked her, I was like, how about if I make a piece for your salon? And she was over the moon about it. Her favorite colors are purple. So I painted the sides and edges with my base coat, which is my Dioxazine purple. This here is a Dioxazine purple and I added a lot of white to it to lighten it up to give me a variation of the purple. I'm going to use some black. The other color that she loves is silver. Purple and silver do go well together. I've also got some Payne's gray. I'm not going to use a lot of it, but I do want to just kind of give it in there for some contrast. I've got some titanium white, and then I mixed up some pearl blue and pearl violet from Amsterdam, and so I'm going to sprinkle that in there too. So what I'm going to do is a ribbon pour, but instead of layering the cups or layering a cup with all the paints, I'm going to do it in a more controlled environment, and I'm going to layer the colors. So it's kind of like my ribbon chaos. And I'm thinking I might even do some swiping, but I am just going to layer it in a chaos fashion, colors on top of each other, but I get to have more control over it. So the first thing I want to do is I want to put out some base coat along the edges for sure, so that my corners and sides all get painted. All right, the first color I'm going to put out is the lighter purple. And I'm just going to do a little bit of lines through here. So let's go with the Payne's gray. To do this technique also, you do need to be careful and wipe your cups because you'll get splatters. All right, we're gonna come in with the pearl colors, the blue and the violet. some silver, going to do some dribbling of white. And this is some more of the darker purple base coat. Let's do this a little bit more. The lighter color over top. Some Paynes. Some black. Actually, no, let's go some white again. Could do a little bit of black. Silver. Deeper purple base coat color. I'm just going to gently pick up and move the paint around a little bit. Gonna leave it right here. I love the motion of this. This is gonna show all the colors. I've got the silver, the deep purple, I got the Payne's gray, I got the silver and some of the black. So that is going to dry great. I can't wait to see what this pearl mixture is going to do as well. So I'm going to clean up the edges. I'll bring you guys down. All right, you guys, here we are with the wet result. Love this. And what I love the most is there's not a bunch of cells in it. This was a pour that has no cells. So cool. Okay guys, that is it. So it is not dry because I painted it last night. So I will show you the dried result in Wednesday's video. Oh, I almost forgot. This is the piece from last week. It doesn't have the gloss varnish on it, but it dried wonderful. Very happy about it. So that will get some gloss varnish. Thank you so much for watching. I believe I am the caboose today. I don't think Nate had a video. So everyone, thanks for watching our train. Have a great rest of the weekend. Don't forget, if you want to buy tickets for the Fluid Art Experience, they are still available. Get your tickets now. Come paint with me. I'm so excited to see everyone. All right, see everyone next week. Bye-bye.